Welcome to this tutorial on using the new utilities Image Grid in Quark Express 9. Image Grid is a great way to organize images for database. So each image can be captioned and you can have different file names, resolutions, dimensions, color models and formats. So I'm going to show you how that works. Now previous versions of Quark Express would allow you to bring images in. For example, you could use the table function here. Click on this and drag out this table. Then what I would do is I'd specify how many rows and columns. So in this case we'll use 5 by 5. Click OK. Then I would click on the text tool where the insertion point is, and using my import command, which is Command D on the Mac or Control E on the Windows, bring in each image. So there I have one. Then I need to click back, click on the next image, Command E, Control E, click on the next image, and so forth. And that's very tedious, but now with the new Image Grid tool we can do that very quickly. So go ahead and create a new document. I'll just make this A5 landscape, click OK. Now I'm going to bring 25 images I have in a folder into this particular page. So I'm going to use the utilities Image Grid, and we're going to specify a set size. So we say fixed size for this. I'll make them 1 inch, then I can hit tab. We can specify a gap size. We can auto size to particular rows and columns if we want. In this case we'll do 5 by 5, and we can add picture info if we want, but in this case we're going to turn that off, and we'll use the standard square box shape. We can also specify different box shapes and also use the tool preferences for the box shape. We can import 100% proportionally, or stretch the image to the box size, or fit the box to the picture. In this case we'll say fit proportionally to box, and we're going to process one folder, but if you had other folders within that folder we could also process them. So we're going to click on the process folder, then select the pictures folder, and you can see I have a bunch of images here. Click choose, wait for Quark to do its thing, and there's all my images. Now another thing you can also do is you may want to span a number of images across multiple pages. Before you'd have to create those pages manually. Now it can all be done automatically. So let's create a new document. This time we'll make it portrait size. Click OK. So we only have one page at the moment in our page layout. We'll use utilities Image Grid, and this time what we're going to do is make these a little bit bigger. So we'll say fixed size, make them 3 by 3, and we can say autofill pages using fixed size limit, or we can use a fixed size. We can add some picture information if we want. We'll just put the name on this one, and fit proportionally as we did before. Okay, process folder, click on the pictures folder, click choose, wait for Quark to do its thing. Okay, now you see we have a number of pages created. So if we double click on each page, you'll see we've got 2 images on each page now, and it automatically added all those pages for us. This works with all Quark Express standard image file formats, including Adobe Photoshop and Illustrator. And this is the end of the tutorial on using the Image Grid in Quark Express 9.